Hello to all my love and light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. Today's just a quick little haul video. As you guys know, the 21 Days of Beauty for Ulta had ended a few days ago and I had placed an order. And so I just got my order in the mail and I'd like to open it up for you guys and see what we got. We've got the Badescu skincare, the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I've tried the cucumber one. I really like it a lot. I just ran out and I've been going through my rose one. It's about halfway gone. Then I ordered this Makeup Revolution London Soph X. She's a YouTuber. And there's the shades on the back. So I'll try that out. And when you made the $15 purchase, you got this Love Conquers All palette for free. So I think I'm going to use this in a giveaway because I already have one for myself. And I gave one to my niece. So that'll be pretty cool. And one thing I really wanted to try was the Dermalogica. This is the Stress Positive Eye Lift. I really love the Dermalogica products, so I'm looking forward to trying this. I have been using the Strivectin. This was I think I got that as in one of my boxes, monthly boxes. And when you made a $65 purchase with Dermalogica, you got the little gift bag for free. And this comes with the lip balm, a small toner, and it also has the special cleansing gel. So I really like those. I've been going through those a lot. I'm almost finished with my first big bottle. It's a huge bottle. And this is the Sound Sleep Cocoon Mask. So that's what comes in there. And got a few more things in here. Got some brushes. Got this. This is the Airbrush Blurring Foundation number 101. And we have this, I believe it's a contour brush. Oh, it's the Smoothing Foundation in 102. And then some eyeshadow brushes. This is the Angled Shadow Crease Brush. See it in there. And then a Precision Smolder. And also an Angled Liner Brush. I've got these other ones, but I haven't tried them yet. This is a stippling brush, the Buffing Foundation in 110, and then we've got a blending shadow brush, number 107, and a Precision Shadow 112, and then the smoldering brush, Smoky Liner in 125. And just some random paintbrushes that I've kept over there with those. So I'm really looking forward to these. I have never tried professional eye brushes yet. I wanted to wait until I got a little bit better at doing my shadows. So I'm really looking forward to trying those. That's going to be so awesome. Then we got another Badescu facial spray. I really like this one. This is my favorite. This does have a little bit of scent to it, but it's not too overpowering. I do prefer this one over all three so far. And that's just my little Ulta Beauty haul. Hope you guys like it. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate all you guys watching. Thank you so much for all your support. We'll see you in the next one.